Front's done. Time to start the back, but the back involves a lot more work. So you can see some holes in the bed. Cut the bed bolts. Disconnected the filler neck. Do the lights whenever I get it up high enough. Obviously the bed's coming off. There's a lot more work to do before the lift. Okay, there we go. Gas tank is out. Looks like this bushing here is starting to fall through. Let's see, the cab's like crooked. Check the gas tank. So upon removal, dragging it out here, there's a hole right there at the top of it. So it was leaking like crazy. The strap broke, so I guess we'll have to get a new one of those. This will all be new. this whole thing's going, so that'll just be one piece. So this side, got that off. I'm just gonna start taking that out, but then I decided to just cut it, get the leaf spring out of the way. Cause this whole thing's going. Cause we gotta buy a new one, make one, deal with this. It'll be good. Okay, let me get a nice close shot here. Burning some rivets out. It's pretty cool to see the frame move like that, huh? What's that? Let's try to get the rest of it off, and then the bottom one's coming right off. How about that? The rest of that's just slide. Chisel all off. Alright, so upper part, cross member done. Made out of one of these old fifth wheel mounts. Took some time bending that. That was fun. I got the little legs, if you will, right here. This is all 3/16 plate I had. I tried to bend these, but it wasn't working out, so it was better off to do that kind of relief cut there and then just bend them, and then I'm just going to weld everything back up. But they're all in place.